This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This get ready amazed because this is undoubtedly a complete game changer. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that the build quality is premium. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it solves an annoying problem. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before it sells out everywhere. This might